Hello, it's Jane Hardy again, a fabulous woman. Well, I've got to tell myself I'm fabulous because my husband certainly doesn't. What can I say? But today I wanted to talk to you about your ideal client. Somebody said to me the other day, I'm not getting much business from networking, whatever networking I'm doing. And I said, well, how do you explain your business? What benefit is your service or product to somebody else? And they went on this technical stream that I didn't really understand a word of it. And I said, right, can we take it back to basics? Where does your client live? Who do they socialize with? What pain are they having? What do they solve? So somebody might be really stressed out and they might need a retreat, a break, or something like that. They might have a broken hip. Do they want to know the ins and outs of how you're going to fix their broken hip for them? No, they probably want to know that A, you can fix the broken hip, and B, you'll be fine afterwards, a little bit of recovery, and all will be well. So please have a think about how you make somebody feel, how you make a product or service interesting to them so that your clients can see the benefit immediately. Also, if you're pitching for a larger company, say, then ask, say, I do web design, or I'm a legal person, or whatever you are, but say, today I am looking for the marketing director of X company, and explain that, an introduction would be just fabulous. So knowing where they live, knowing what their pain is, knowing if your ideal client has got 2 5-year-old twins and stressed out, or your ideal client is somebody whose relationship might be on the rocks, or not all bad stuff, really good stuff too, please. But you need to know who your ideal client is. Now, I have a little mini worksheet to help you identify your ideal client. So if you would like a copy of the worksheet, please just give me your name in the comment box down below and I'll email it for you. No strings attached. I just want to help. So thank you for listening today. Hope you found it useful. I'll be back early next week again. Hope you had a great weekend, by the way, and look forward to hearing from you soon. And don't forget, if I can help you, please just drop me a little note down below or PM me, and I'll be very happy to help you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye for now.